Okay, I want to clean out my water heater. Not a hot water heater, because if it was a hot water heater, you wouldn't have to call it a heater. It'd just be hot water. But this right here, kind of see it. It doesn't, I can't get this little thing to move, and I can't get this, where am I? This to turn. And I can't find a wrench that I can get in there. So I don't know how to get this to turn, but I know that I have to remove this so that the water can come out. So if anyone has tips, let me know. Okay, so thankfully I have a plumber for a neighbor. And he told me for this little thing down here to put a screwdriver in it, and that would open it up. So it did, and I am now draining the water heater. I have put a hose, show you my hose, back here. And I don't have it turned up very high because I don't have a pressure regulator on it, but I put my hose on there, and I'm just letting it go through the system and clean it out. And it's just dumping. There it's going. But that's how you clean out your water heater. So while this is dripping at a rate that I can deal with, this pressure relief valve is up so that this can drain. And I had my hose in the back end of this, forcing this out. I just disconnected the hose to let it finish draining. Then when this is finished draining, I will use my screwdriver to close that and close this valve, okay? Okay, we're down to a trickle. I'm going to close my pressure relief valve and see if I can figure out where to put this. Righty tighty. Oh, look at that. That just made it so much easier. Actually, I think that's righty loosey. Let's go this way. That tightened it up. All right. It's lefty loosey is actually lefty tighty, at least for this thing. But using a screwdriver in there, that's how you turn it to open it. So, yay. Thank you. Awesome neighbor. You're all clean. Oh, in case anybody wants to know how to open this water heater here, like this. And there it is. Again, to close it, you kind of have to pull this little tab out a little bit. And it closes. Don't tell my HOA. I brought it here to just do a little bit of maintenance on it. So this is probably the only time it's allowed to be in my yard.